Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss part 2 of the pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1994. So let's start. Functional and dysfunctional. Functional means capable of operating or functioning effectively, designed to be practical and useful. यानी ऑपरेटिंग या मुअस्सर तरीके से काम करने के काबिल, अमली और मुफीद होने के लिए डिज़ाइन किया गया. Its synonyms are operational, efficient and working. Its example sentences: the new software update made the computer more functional and responsive. Dysfunctional. It means not operating or functioning properly, characterized by impaired or abnormal functioning. यानी सही तरीके से काम नहीं करना. Its synonyms are malfunctioning, non-functional and flawed. Example sentences: the dysfunctional team struggled to meet deadlines due to poor communication and internal conflicts. Yew and yew. Yew means a type of evergreen tree or shrub often used for ornamental purposes or in traditional medicines. यानी इससे मतलब एक सदाबहार दरख्त या जाड़ी है या जाड़ी की एक किस्म है जो कि अक्सर सजावटी मकासद के लिए या रिवायती उद्यात में इस्तेमाल होती है. Its synonyms are taxus, conifer, evergreen. Example sentences: the ancient cemetery was adorned with solemn yew trees, their dark green foliage creating a peaceful atmosphere. Ewe. It means a female sheep, यानी एक मादा भीड़. Its synonyms are female sheep and dam. Example sentences: the shepherd carefully tended to the ewes and their lambs in the lush meadow. Elusive and elusive. Elusive refers to something that makes indirect or implied references, often suggesting or hinting at a particular idea or concept without explicitly stating it. यानी इसका मतलब है कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो बिलवास्ता या मुज़म्मिर हवालाजात बनाती है, अक्सर किसी ख़ास ख्याल या तसव्वुर को वाज़ेह तौर पर बताए बग़ैर उसकी तजवीज़ या इशारा करती है. Its synonyms are suggestive, implied and indirect. Example sentences: the author's elusive writing style left room for interpretation, allowing readers to uncover hidden meanings within the text. Elusive. It means something that is difficult to capture, define or achieve. It tends to be evasive or elusive in nature. यानी ये किसी ऐसी चीज़ की वजाहत करता है जिसकी गिरफ्त करना, तारीफ़ करना या हासिल करना मुश्किल हो. Its synonyms are slippery, evasive, hard to catch. Example sentences: despite numerous attempts, the elusive butterfly continued to flutter just out of reach, teasing the eager observers. Ladylike and ladyship. Ladylike means behaving in a manner traditionally associated with or considered appropriate for a well-mannered and refined woman. यानी लेडी लाइक का मतलब है इस अंदाज में बर्ताव करना जो रिवायती तौर पर एक खुश अखलाक और बेहतर औरत के साथ मुंसलिक या मुनासिब समझा जाता है. Its synonyms are elegant, refined, graceful and genteel. Example sentences: she always maintained a ladylike composure even in challenging situations. Ladyship. It means a title or form of address for a woman with a high social standing, often used formally or in a respectful manner. यानी एक आला समाजी हैसियत वाली औरत के लिए खिताब का उन्वान अक्सर रस्मी तौर पर या एहतराम के साथ इस्तेमाल होता है. Its synonyms are madam, mistress and dame. Example sentences: I had the honor of meeting ladyship at the formal reception last night. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.